Do you want to personalize results in Google AI mode? Follow these easy steps. First, launch the Google application on your device. Make sure you have signed in to your Google account to enable personalized features. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, in the pop-up, select the Search Personalization option. Here, toggle on the switch next to Personalized Search. Scroll down to the bottom. Under the More Data and Control section, press My Google Activity. Next, select the Web and App Activity option. After selecting, tap on the Turn On button to allow Google to learn more from your searches. Then, hit the Turn On button again in the pop-up. Finally, tap on the Got It button to confirm it. This is how you can personalize results in Google AI mode.